Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this braided wig. I've actually introduced this style to you before. The only difference is the color. My client wanted this style in black and 27. So if you love this style, if you love this wig, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're interested in this wig or any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. So this is color 133 and 30. This is the style that I introduced to you before, and the black one and black in 900. So guys, I feel like when I started making this style, I felt like they were slightly heavier, but nowadays I've tried, they are very light. So with time, I keep on learning and just improving on how I make the wigs. So also, if you order from me or if you order from my website, from WhatsApp, always just give me feedback when you receive the wig so that I know where to improve. Yeah, if you give me feedback, I'll know where to correct or to improve. And also, I'll just appreciate your reviews on my website. Please guys, leave a review on my website if you've ordered before. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
So guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this wig, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also check my website or WhatsApp me if you want to order it. See you in my next video. Bye.